Hello guys, Eddie V here, welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to be making my Mazda faster by drilling holes into it. Okay guys, so let me explain, technically not too fast or anything noticeable. I'm going to show you a little secret about more horsepower or cooling down your engine. First of all, if you're having a cold air intake or short ram intake, you need more cold air as possible. The more cold air, and basically what happens, you can ignite more heat in there basically. I hope I'm saying this right. I'm just a car guy, just doing crazy car guy stuff. But anyway, that in turn makes more power. Not noticeable, but at least also keeps your engine healthy by cooling it down. Engines love heat, but they also love to be on the colder side, so that'll be basically so that they can not overheat and run very healthy. But in turn, what I'm doing is I'm helping my car cool down. And you can do this on any car, but on Mazda 3s, a lot of them don't come with fog lights, and some of them do come with fog lights, so you got to be careful where the wires are. But I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next. Okay guys, so as you can see here, these are were supposed to be the fog lights, or the dummy honeycomb stuff. I'm gonna drill holes in there, not here, this is all radiator, might be wires, but down here and here. I know some Acuras and Hondas have this, so if there is absolutely nothing behind this, go ahead and drill it, and that way you will have basically more airflow going into your car, especially my box sitting right there, and also my horn sitting under there, my massive horn, that will be a lot louder. So here we go. Okay guys, so before showing you my final result, I'm going to show you what I did. Drill with a drill bit of any size of your choosing, go ahead and use it. And like I said guys, make sure you got absolutely nothing behind those dummy basically grills that don't work. And here you have it guys, the final product. Holes in here that will help to cool the car. They look relatively the same, relatively nice to use. So basically, yes guys, that's how it's done. There you go guys, that's how you help to cool down your car. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie V. 2004 turn right. This particular package, drive an attempt on the 6 Series.